Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg, and today I want to speak with you about medical care in general and doctors. Obviously, if you've been injured in a work-related accident, then at some point you're going to be seeing a doctor if you need medical care. Doctors run the spectrum, and many times you're going to be sent to an urgent care, an immediate care kind of place right after the accident occurs to at least be evaluated, or maybe you're going to the emergency room. And quite frankly, those doctors are general doctors. They're usually not specialists in any shape or form, and they're going to give you the once-over. They might run an x-ray, they might run a CT scan if need be, but typically they're just going to try and get you at least comfortable with some medication or an injection for pain, depending upon what's wrong with you, obviously, or if you need stitches. And then they may have you come back and visit with them many times. Again, this is not a discussion about the posted panel of physicians and what the legal requirements are. This is just generally discussing doctors overall. At some point in your case, if necessary, you're going to need a specialist, whether that's a plastic surgeon because you've had a very bad laceration, or a neurosurgeon because you need spine surgery, or an orthopedic surgeon on your spine, or an orthopedic surgeon for your shoulder, your knee, your wrist, your fingers, your ankle. And I will tell you, I've been doing this for 28 years in the state of Georgia, and I am very familiar with doctors all over the state. I will tell you that I am aware of their capability as surgeons, their leanings, whether or not they are helpful to you as the injured worker or more helpful to the insurance company. And many doctors have reputations of whether or not they're going to be helpful or not helpful. Many doctors have reputations of whether or not they have done successful surgeries and how the client comes out after the surgery. I am not here to tell you that doctors are out there to do anything but try and help you. That is their goal, and that is what they're supposed to do. However, there are different doctors who treat at different levels. There are different doctors who are extraordinarily talented and will be helpful, and I am more than happy to share my knowledge with you that I have learned over the last 28 years of the doctors in our state who we can rely on to try and help you. In certain situations in a workers' comp case, you're going to be sent to the doctors that the insurance company wants you to see. And we will be able to hopefully use the law in many cases to get you at least a second opinion with a doctor that we may feel can do a better job for you, or potentially change physicians if necessary, depending upon where you are in your case, depending upon what stance you have with the doctor you're currently seeing, whether or not you've already had one surgery and it didn't go well and you may need another surgery. There are many things that we need to look at. So again, I'm more than happy to discuss that with you and share my knowledge about potential different doctors and when the time is to seek them out and use them in your case. Please give me a call at 770-351-0801, and I'm more than happy to speak with you about it. Thanks.
Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube or a like on Facebook. I also encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link to do so is on the screen. I also invite you to call me directly if you have been injured on the job and need an honest and realistic opinion regarding your case or details regarding the law. I can be reached at 770-351-0801 or email me at jodiginsberglaw@gmail.com. Thanks.